Oliver lost everything chasing the AI dream. He believed the hype. He bought the tools, the AI writing software, the image generators, the chatbots, the voice clones. Every guru promised riches. Every new app seemed like the one. But in the end, he was left with nothing but an empty bank account and a head full of broken promises. Maybe you felt like Oliver too, watching others claim to make thousands overnight while you struggled to even get a single sale. So he asked himself, what were they doing that he wasn't? And that's when he found it. That's when he discovered something that changed everything. Not just another AI gimmick, not another tool that sits there doing nothing, but a real no BS app that finally delivers. It's the world's first app that forces Google to send us thousands upon thousands of laser-targeted clicks to any link we want, in any niche we choose, without writing content, without building websites, without doing SEO, without paid ads, and without any manual work. It doesn't get any easier than this, my friend. Stratos is not another AI tool, it's a business machine. Instead of just helping you, Stratos actually does the work for you. In just a few clicks, Stratos allows us to siphon thousands of clicks to any link we want. And those are not just some random or bot clicks. No, we are talking about high-quality visitors who are ready to buy whatever you are selling. No more struggling to get traffic, no more wasted money on ads, no more relying on broken software that doesn't deliver. This is a complete business running 24/7 that actually produce results for you, while you sit back and enjoy. Hey, my name is Billy, and on behalf of my team, I'm happy to introduce to you Stratos, world's first no BS app that forces Google to send us thousands of clicks by auto-ranking any link we want in minutes. Without experience, without skills, and without spending hours learning anything. And the best part? Stratos doesn't just build your business, it runs it. It finds buyers, closes sales, and handles everything for you. For the first time, an app that works for you instead of you working for AI. Listen, AI is good, but it's nowhere near ready for us. The people who figure this out now are going to be the ones who dominate. And the people who sit on the sidelines, they'll be left behind, watching everyone else cash in while they struggle to catch up. You have two choices right now. You can do what you've always done and keep getting the same results. Or you can finally take control, step into the future, and grab your first no BS app today. Stratos is the only system that does everything for you. And right now, you can get lifetime access for a tiny one-time fee. But there's a catch. This deal is extremely limited. We're only opening up a small number of spots to ensure every user gets results. Once those spots are gone, you'll have to pay a high monthly fee to get in. I know what it's like to be stuck, to feel like you've tried everything and nothing works, to wonder if success is even possible for you. But let me tell you this, the only thing standing between you and the life you want is action. Today is the day you break free. Today is the day you stop chasing and start winning. All you have to do is take this one step. Click the button below, grab your copy of Stratos, and finally take control of your future. This is your chance. The doors are open, but they won't stay open forever. Click below to get started before it's too late.